Originally, Microsoft designed OOBE to help users easily complete the system initialization process, including selecting a language, setting preferences, and creating an account, to make the first boot experience smoother. However, with Windows 11, OOBE has become a source of frustration for users. Forced updates waste a significant amount of time, and without a Microsoft account login, users can even get stuck at the initialization screen, unable to proceed. Today, Aurora ROM will share the quickest and most convenient method to easily skip the OOBE in just 30 seconds. When you get to the first OOBE screen, press the Shift plus F10 shortcut. Some laptops may require you to press Fn plus Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt window. In the window, enter start ms-cxh localonly to bring up the local user creation interface. After filling in the username and password, click Next a few times, and the entire process will be completed in under 30 seconds, allowing you to perfectly skip the OOBE. Okay, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please follow and like us. We'll see you in the next episode.